How to exit Steam Big Picture Mode. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can exit Steam Big Picture Mode. If you want to exit from Steam's Big Picture Mode, then here's how you can do it. For that, first of all, you need to open your Steam application on your device. Once you have opened it, here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this page, at the left top, you will see this Steam with its name. Click on Steam and from this drop-down, select Settings option. Once you select Settings, a pop-up window will appear where you will find different options at the left sidebar. From here, you need to click on this Interface option. Click on Interface and the settings related to interface will appear at the right side. Now from here you need to scroll down and find the option Start Steam in Big Picture Mode. You can see currently it is turned on. Now to turn it off, you just simply need to click on it and it will get disabled. Now this will save your changes and ensure that Steam launches normally the next time you start it. Once after doing that, you can close this window and refresh the page. Click on this arrow at the left top and it will refresh the application. So by following the steps, you should be able to exit Big Picture Mode on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.